Can we start again and try and make it happen again? Definitely not a healthy sound, is it?
You've managed to capture it, Lords, now.